Hi guys, it's me, Haley Walker, and today I'm going to make a video where I have to do stuff with handcuffs. This is the first thing. I have to do Beyblades. Okay, so let me do it. Okay, so here's my Beyblade. No success.
Try again.
Dang it, I died. Yay, success. That's like a car. Okay. Next thing to do is a cartwheel. Okay. Let's move my stuff. Okay. Sorry that you saw my dresser. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Not a cart.
Try again.
I just know it wasn't.
There.
Yay. Success. Yay.
3 more levels, then you get to unlock yourself with these.
Mama.
No, you cannot take
And the next
these.
thing is trying to
Shoot a fake arrow. Don't shoot it at the camera.
Okay, I'll shoot near the camera so the audience can see. Okay, just wait. Oh my god. This is gonna be hard.
Shoot this way.
No.
Success.
I hit. Okay, 2 more levels. I'll show you the next level. Eating a hot tamale.
Success. 1 more level, then you get these.
Flicker the lights. Look up.
You will not get these until you find something else to do.
Hold my Harley Quinn. If you're wondering who's my... That's my dad.
Taste the cover.
That was my dad, people. So, there, success. My Harley Quinn there. Yeah.
Now you get these.
Oh no, she's crooked.
Now you get these.
Okay, it's pretty cool in here. It's not too bad.
Now you get these.
Yay, now uncomfort me.
Ready?
Then it's my turn.
Oh my god.
No.
Okay.
Okay, get it, we get it.
Okay.
I like the other one.
Ready?
Oh no, I need to go to the bathroom.
Now you can.
Yay! Yay, I'm free. Did you enjoy this video? I hope you did. Okay, bye-bye. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.